Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we're having photo shoot with Ate Lorraine. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. So we're gonna find the best place or best spot to take the photos. And right now, maulan, so kailangan na magpatila. And look at the view, guys. We're now on Gin Lake, and we're still waiting until the rain stops. So yun na nga po. Let's go and see you later to my birthday photo shoot. Back again. So here we go. So yan, walking na po tayo. Maambon po ngayon, medyo tigis ganda lang po talaga kasi for photo shoot. Ayan. So ayan na po ang outfit natin for today's video. Woo! I'm using trench coat with the shades and bonnets.
Nagsapatos na ako.
Ha? No. Malayo ba to?
Sakto lang.
Ayan. Pupuntahan namin yung bridge. Bridge, guys. Bridge. Bridge ang puti. Bridge. London Bridge. Ganon. So, it's my first time here, to be honest. And we don't know where to go. Charot!
Isa lang daan.
Isa lang daan. Ayan po, guys. As you can see. Whew! Ayan na po yung bridge na sinasabi namin, guys. As you can see,
Bridge.
bridge is
Ay, may loader na. Bilis na.
Andiyan ang loader. Yes. Let's go. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on.
2,000 years later.
Another day, another sleigh. Today, we're taking photo shoot at Tanya Lake. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Sobrang lalim po ng snow ngayon. Yan po si Ate Lorraine. Hi!
Hi!
See? Grabe. Ganda ng snow. I think so.
Dali, ikaw muna.
Let's go, guys. Come on.
White snow.
For the lakad po ang mga person sa lamig. Negative 12.
Di ba masyado malamig?
Hindi nga masyado. Feeling ko negative 12 lang.
Diyan? Tara. Namudulas ako. Uy! Uy!
Ay ka lang.
Nadulas din ako. Isan. Wait lang, masalapad ka.
Ay, tayo! Oh, ayan. Picture pa more. Let's go, guys. Tapos na po yung aming pictorial
Tapat ba yan?
sa negative 12 degree. Sobrang damig. Sobrang sarap ng weather. Pero enjoy. Bakit po kami ngayon ng hills? Kamusta ka naman dyan? Diba? Ganito po sa Canada. May mga hills po na mga trail na kailangan mong lakarin. Right?
Yeah.
Pagod ka na ba? Hindi pa. Basic lang yan.
Sadulas lang naman.
Nadulas kami kanina guys, grabe. Sobrang laugh. Nakakatawa yung paglagapak namin. Anyways, malapit na tayo. Oh. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.